Okay,
Uh,
then everything is okay.
yeah, everything is okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for joining me again. Okay,
Yes.
so tell me, uh, how you're going on life.
Yeah, it's well. I think yes. This day I am at home working with my father with happy, and
Mm-hmm.
as well as I run a YouTube channel. Yeah, I think you watch sometimes if you get time.
Yes, I comment sometimes. I comment. Okay,
Yeah.
because when you talk with people, you always a smile. You know
Yes.
that's when the
Yes.
people want to talk to you. You are so a smiley person.
Yes. And many people love to ask in a comment, "You are so cute, always smiling." Yes. And and even yesterday, yeah, and even yesterday, a girl, her name was, I think, I don't know what her name was. I seen, and she also comment me to session. Yeah.
And very soon, you can say you will get viral on the YouTube very soon.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Depending on my hard work, I think.
Yeah,
Depends
hard
on.
work. Definitely, if you do hard work, definitely can say you can. You could get viral. Mhm.
Okay.
So where are
Okay.
you? Where are you now? Your background is so it look like so green, and I think it might be filled. It might be filled your side, right?
Yes, it is ground as you can see. And here actually I have eh, eh, the time is, I think it's evening time, so that is why I have come here to brought my yeah pets. Yes,
Okay,
for
okay.
viewer.
So are you grading Mupole cow goat there over there?
Yes, I think as you can see a little bit because still there is foggy. That is why you struggle to watch. I think, but otherwise, as you can see, I am wearing this sweater in order to protect from the cold because it's freezing today. Yes.
Okay, okay. And it was fog your side in the morning time.
Yeah. Yes. And even today there is no any sun to see. Yeah. I
Okay.
haven't get to see the sun today.
The sun
Yes.
did not come. The sun did not come your side. Okay. It is
Yeah.
not sunny day your side. Am I right?
Yes.
Great. Okay. So
So
you
and
feel you
what
are feeling cool.
okay. Yes. So cool.
So if
Yes.
I say my side, so you can say my side also. We can say it was born chilly cold in morning time, and I was shivering. So I had
And
some
now
work. I completed my work. So yeah, it is sunny day today here.
okay.
Okay.
Now is it okay? Now is it okay from your side? Like weather? What's the weather like?
Yeah, weather is so pleasant now,
Hey, okay.
and without we
But
can say I am having session without wearing jacket.
yes. But here is it's very difficult to stay outside from my home. Yes,
Yeah,
without jacket.
because
That is
it is
why. Yeah.
totally rural area, na? Your side,
Yeah.
it is totally rural area. That's why you
And
feel
even
you feel cool.
yeah. And even there is nearby me there is a river. So that is why here is too cold. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. And it is big river and a small.
Yeah, big river you can say. Yes. Mananda River. Its name. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So how many subscriber do you have? Tell me.
Okay. 150
Okay.
plus.
1,000.
150 plus, no thousands.
150 plus.
Yes.
Mhm. Very soon we can say you might get lots of beaver. Don't
I
worry,
don't know.
beaver subscriber.
Yeah, today I tried a session who was previous. I have yeah session with him, and he called me. You went viral. I don't know why people yeah ask me to viral.
Who is he?
Yeah,
Is he girl and is he boy? Is he
boy.
boy?
Yeah.
Boy.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And she was saying you went viral. I say I don't have thousands of subscribers. How is it possible to go viral? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now we can say he got viral.
No, 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 no. He asked me.
He told
Just
you.
like
He told you that uh, you will get viral, huh?
yes, he asked me just like you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Then I asked him how is it possible I went viral even I don't have thousands of subscribers. How is it possible? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. You see, it is it is depend on hard work.
Yes. Yes.
If you upload video every day on your
Yes.
channel, then definitely you could get viral. There is no doubt.
Okay. Thank you so much. Then from today I will upload every single day. I think.
Yeah, every day,
Yeah.
every day. If you have video, then try to upload video every day. You make you blog video and you try to upload.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes. Yeah. Sometimes I make blog. Yes.
Hmm. So
I
what?
think.
When did you purchase? When did
Sorry.
you purchase your telephone? When did you purchase your mobile?
My phone.
Yeah.
I in 2021. Yes. 2021.
Okay. After that, you started learning English.
No, 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 no. I start tag channel. Yeah, technical where I used to upload tag videos. Like if you want to make thumbnail, then I used to guide on this channel and as well as how to grow YouTube channel and how to create YouTube channel, how to grow YouTube channel. So that's kind of and how to edit video even it's kind of videos I used to create. And due to some reason I lost the channel due to YouTube copyright, and again I create the channel again new, and the channel is I also have right now, and that one.
Okay.
yeah yeah
So
right now
when
two channel I
did you
have
make your
right
first
now.
channel? When did you
my
make your first YouTube channel?
my first channel name was Technical Nakul, and next after delete I converted Nakul Technical. Yes.
Nakul Technical.
Yes,
So
actually
how
I
many
lost my.
so
Okay, go on.
how many channel do you have? Two, three.
Right now two channel. Yeah. Yeah,
So,
I add my previous channel. On English channel, I add in suggestion.
so how many subscriber over there? How many?
1,000, 1,000 around 600. 600. Yeah, 1,600.
Okay, okay.
And now
So
I stop.
monetize?
Nah,
Did you challenge monetize or not?
no. Actually, कैसे बताओ monetize हो जाता, but due to not working on it, so that is why my my watch time decreased. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Your watch time was less. That's why, right?
Yes. No,
Your
actually, if
not
you,
get monetized.
no, have I completed I think, but due
What
to
time?
not achieve in a target time. Actually, if you want to monetize, have to you have to grab watch time three 4,000 in 365 days.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, and I achieve I think their year 1.5 year within. So that is why my watch time decrease.
Okay, okay.
Yes, that's the problem.
Okay, so no problem. It is life. Sometimes, we are
Yeah,
happy,
and
not happy.
yes, and I create this channel because I lost my previous channel. I create this channel in order to read. Like I did not know YouTube sent me email how like what was problem on my channel, but I did not know. I did not know how to read its email. So that is why I thought first I have to learn English. Yes. So
Yes,
that is
yes.
why I start learning. Yeah, that is why I start learning.
Mhm. Then you realize, after realizing, oh, okay, you thought, okay,
After
now
deleting,
you
yeah.
will learn this
After,
language.
yeah, after deleting the channel, yeah, after lost, I realized, yeah, I should learn English. Yes.
Okay, great, great. So you have two channel. Okay, you lost your channel,
Yes.
and you
But
can say new channel.
sorry,
So what is your new channel? How is your going on running your, can say, new channel?
new channel now. Which one is? Oh,
New
right now, yeah,
about new channel.
English channel.
How is your going on your uh, new channel?
New channel. That means I have two. Like, well, currently, I have two channel. First one is tech channel that I stopped working on it, and now I am working on it only English
New
to
channel.
fulfill my, yeah.
Okay. You are
Yes.
working on, you can say, new channel, right?
Yes. In English. And if I grow, yeah, if I get get some, yeah, more views or subscriber, then I will decide, I think. But otherwise, I will left.
Mm. Yeah, actually, first time I have watched your video with a tutor. Okay, then I shocked. Oh my God, you got 3,000 views. Then I thought,
Uh,
okay, one day I will
now I
talk.
now I haven't seen how many views. I don't know. I think 4K plus. I don't know.
Okay, okay. So you are only one of them. You are learning who are learning English in your village.
No, no, there is no any person. You will not get any person who can speak English. Only I am the person who love speaking English.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying you are only one of them who is
Yes.
learning English.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, great.
And in your village, there is any person or any environment so that you can practice with.
No, there is no any person. Okay, they are not learning English because village area. If you are learning English, if you try to speak English in front of them, na, they will abuse you. They will say
Yeah. Yes.
you have got mad,
That.
right?
Yes. Yes. So
And
that's
they
the
will say,
problem.
"Oh, don't try to speak English in front of me,
Yes.
right?" And they will fun with you. They will fun with you.
Yes. And even demotivate me, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Even I have friend. Sometimes my friends dismotivate me.
Yes. Yes. That's the thing. It's happened.
Yeah,
Everyone will like.
you should not listen. Anyone.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. I listen in 1 year and I move. Yes.
Yeah, definitely. If you listen, then you will go back.
Yes.
If you are doing something, then definitely you will achieve. You will achieve something in your life.
Yes. So what is the solution to get rid of from it? Like how can I stay motivated always?
Hmm. First of all, don't try to talk to her. Okay. If you have any, if you have any emergency, okay, then you can talk. Okay.
Yes.
We can talk, but no seriously. Okay.
Yes.
बोलते हैं फालतू में उससे बात बहस नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not
Yes.
argue with them. Okay.
Yes.
And always we can say you always you should learn anything. It could be anything related
Yes.
to English.
Yes.
Sometimes you read book, sometimes you watch any conversation video, sometimes because you are able to make conversation video, so sometimes you should make English conversation video, or don't try to talk to her. If they say to you anything, you should not listen to them. Okay,
Yes.
because when you listen after that you think, oh my God, he is saying me like this, he is saying me about me like this, so I'm not going to learn this language. I'm
I
leave.
feel
I will leave. Hmm? Then you can say, how can I say that, you start thinking negative.
yes. Yes.
Right.
After hearing those words, right?
Yeah, yeah, you
Yeah.
start thinking negative. I have
Yeah.
one
So
only.
like
I have one friend. He always used to dismotivate me. After that, I blocked him number. Okay.
yes,
Yeah, really.
I block my friend's number. I think yes. Some of
Yeah.
my friends who are like who don't want that you grow, you will grow. Yeah.
Hmm. They don't want to. They don't want to see you to grow.
Yes.
They don't
Yes.
want to see you to successful in your life. Okay.
Yes.
If you are poor, then they are clapping. Yeah, you are. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You
That's the
are
thing.
joking with. They are joking with you.
Yes.
If you are successful person, then definitely they are jealous of you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You
That's true.
then you try to become. Then you try to become a strong person. You try to become a, you can say, successful person.
Yes.
Hmm. don't listen any don't listen with anyone.
Yes. It is
Because
the
this
biggest
life,
problem here.
you want to live your life the way you want, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't think negative. You try to speak English, try to speak. Hmm.
Yes. This is the biggest problem here. So that is why I have here. I am here. You can see also. Otherwise,
Hmm.
sometimes I can make videos nearby my home, but the problem is if somebody watching me while session, then he's jealous. So that is why that is why
Hmm.
I feel happy to making outside session.
Hmm. Because now you are not alone. I am with you. I am with you. I am talking to you.
Yes,
Right?
especially for me, this session is I am going to listen again and again for stay motivation motivate. Yes,
Yeah, really, really.
yes,
See, I'm in Kuwait. I'm the Kuwait. When I started learning English, so I
yes.
tell you too honestly, my friend can say, how can quarreled with me when I started learning English. Okay, he said to me, why you are learning English? Okay, you have a good job. What will you do for English? Why are you here? Okay. Then I said to them, okay, I will not go your home, your room. Okay. Just I blocked them number. Okay.
Okay.
I am living alone here.
Yes,
I don't want to live with them. Who can say you can say who dismotivate me,
yes,
right?
yes, sir. And now I think the session is going to too longer. And the
Hmm.
weather is. Can you see me properly? I think it's time to wrap up. Yes.
Hmm.
And even I am feeling too cold.
Okay, okay, no problem. It is getting dark. I think it is getting
Yeah.
dark.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay, so
And
thank you,
everyone.
Nakul
Yeah.
Kumar
Everyone.
sir. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Yes. I motivated by by you. I think. Yes.
Okay,
And
thank you
I'm
so
going to.
much. Pleasure.
I'm going to hear. Yeah. In order to motivate, I am going to hear this session. Yeah. Again and again. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
next day, I think I will meet. Yeah.
Definitely, we will meet. No problem. We will meet again. Don't worry. I am here to help you.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank